Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best trimmer head for Stihl. Watch till the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the Oregon 55-265 speed feed trimmer head. This is one of the most versatile and durable trimmer heads from our list. It has a robust, automatic bump feed round head that is effective for tackling any medium to heavy-duty weeding or edging. It is integrated with the efficient line tensioning mechanism that significantly reduces the intensity of vibrations when the trimmer head is spinning. Additionally, its grip collar allows you to freely secure the cutting line inside its case without any struggle. Another notable feature of this high-performing trimmer head is that it is compatible with trimmers from Stihl, Echo, Troy-Bilt, RedMax, and many more. Also, it is an ideal option for both DIYers and homeowners alike. Echo Speed Feed 450 Trimmer Head. If you're looking for an efficient and high-performing trimmer head from a reputable brand, the Echo Speed Feed 450 trimmer head may be the most ideal option for you. It has 6 adapters to fit different trimmers from RedMax, Stihl, Echo, Troy-Bilt, and so many other reputable brands. The big deal about this trimmer head is the length of the trimmer string it can hold and the ease of loading it. Allow me to explain this point further. It features a split spool design that prevents longer strings from getting tangled during the trimming process, and it has just the right amount of space to seamlessly hold 20 feet of string. Also, it is sealed pretty well to prevent it from picking up a lot of dirt and debris inside, and saves a lot of time when you're using your line trimmer. MAXPOWER PivoTrim Universal Replacement Trimmer Head. This incredibly sturdy and high-performing trimmer head accepts 0.80-inch and 0.095-inch diameter lines, and it fits almost all trimmer models, including those from Stihl. To increase the number and efficiency of the cutting lines on your trimmer head, it has been designed to fit 8 strings. Furthermore, this feature makes it faster and easier to cut down weeds and grass. In addition to that, its pivoting mechanism makes the strings project out at the grass at high speed. This way, the strings remain durable, powerful, and precise. Also, changing the strings doesn't take as much time as it's completely hassle-free. Husqvarna T35 String Trimmer Head. This string trimmer head that comes in blue or black is designed to fit Husqvarna straight shaft trimmers and most Stihl, RedMax, and Echo straight shaft trimmers. It features an eye-hole design that makes it easy to reload, and the line is designed to feed automatically when trimming. In addition to that, the spool features a split design, intended to reduce tangling and line welding. The arrows on the spool significantly show you the correct directional winding of the line to eliminate guesswork. Also, this Husqvarna trimmer is very easy to install. The instructions on the user manual are well written and are very easy to understand. We also cannot forget to mention that for such a good product, you're definitely going to be paying a fair price. WWEZ Lockhead Trimmer Head. Despite its lightweight frame, this incredibly sturdy trimmer head is made from high-quality materials that make it durable and resilient enough for edging, trimming, and performing a variety of grass and weed-eating tasks. It is compatible with nearly all brands of cordless and gas string trimmers, to include Stihl, Weed Eater, Cub Cadet, RedMax, MTD, Ryobi, and many more. It fits line diameters of 0.080 inches to 0.105 inches, a feature that allows you to freely use the right string trimmer line for the job. Reloading the string into the trimmer head is very easy, and the installation process is completely hassle-free. You would also be impressed by the fact that this user-friendly tool delivers fast and very precise cuts. Stihl Autocut C52 Trimmer Head. This trimmer head is highly recommended if you use a trimmer daily in your work, or if you're looking for the best replacement that works reliably. It uses 5-2 blade type, and its double line is suitable for trimming activity as well as lawn mowing. In the package, you'll find a standard 0.080-inch diameter string that is suitable for working on small to medium-sized lawns. Which is the best one? The MAXPOWER PivoTrim Universal Replacement Trimmer Head is the best trimmer head for Stihl, as it comes with breakage-resistant strings and has 8 pivoting lines for faster and more precise cutting. Also, it is a universal trimmer that is compatible with nearly all trimmers in the market. However, you can always choose to go for the Stihl Autocut C52 trimmer head if you're looking for a trimmer head that is specifically designed for Stihl only. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.